In this video, I will show you how to locate the ELMBKUP missing folder in Windows 11. Let's follow these steps.
Let's open this PC. Right-click on this PC and then click on Open. Now, open the C drive. Next, open the Windows folder. Here, you can see that the ELMBKUP folder is missing. To fix this, click on the three dots at the top and go to Options. The Folder Options window will appear. Go to the View tab and select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click the Apply button. Now you can see that the ELMBKUP folder has appeared.